Okay, into the attic we go. Alright, so here we have, some HVAC guys came today and installed the ductwork to the new Hackworth vacuum shop. And oh yeah, they were supposed to do something about this, but maybe they said they're gonna come back and install the air return. That's what that duct is for. So maybe when they come back they'll do something about this. I hope. So first off, we got our ducts in. We got our ducts in right here. Oh, that's where the vent is gonna go. You can see we ran this piece of duct through the floor, the subfloor. Yeah, we ran it through the subfloor, under the subfloor actually. But the bad news is, my dad and I are gonna have to elevate the floor a little, and I can't believe we have to do that again. Yep, we might have another step. We might have a step up like we did at the last house. Except at the last house, we had a small step down. Like, you probably know where the corner is in the last shop house. In my shop where my old house is. At my old house, it's the shop at my old house. Yeah, we had to step down because of the beam, and we cannot cut a hole, and we cannot trim out the beam a little because the beam carries weight. Because if we had cut that, we would have had some major downfalls, or what do you call it? So here we have the other piece of ductwork that we installed, and we're gonna have to elevate the floor a little. I'm gonna have to clean up in here a little, probably with the rigid shop vac that's over here, or what else? Oh my God, it's so cold in here. Is the air coming out of that? Not yet. Yeah, because this furnace is running, and let's take a look over here. You can see that they left some extra vents, and maybe it looks like they left some extra duct work. No, this is duct insulation. Alright, you can see the furnace blower running. Nope, not yet. Maybe the damper to there is closed. Yeah, because I do not want heat coming through the. I do not want air coming through the return duct, past the filter, past the combustion chambers, or what do you call it? Past the burn, past. Yeah, I do not want air coming through the air return, coming up the. I do not want air coming through the return. What the hell was that noise? It's coming from outside. All right, let me say this all over again one last time. So I do not want air coming through the return duct, through the filter, past the burners, and then going into, and have less air being supplied back into my bedroom, and have more air coming out through here when there's no insulation in here, because that might increase our heating and air conditioning bill, because let me tell you, I've heard that those things are expensive, and it's gonna waste a lot of energy too. Alright, but anyways, that's all I have for now. And also, you could see that my dad installed all the rest of the rafters, and it's starting to feel like a room here. So I'll keep you all updated. You could just comment, and subscribe for more.